Yes. So, like I say, we still have a lot of questions to go, but excuse me, you know, whenever you have a question, feel free always to to ask me anytime. You can leave the comments. You can find you can ask me anytime, and of course you're gonna learn a lot from me, and also you can learn from you can learn my mistakes. And do please feel free to ask me or leave the comments, and then I'll definitely want to get back to you. I'll try whenever I get a little time. I'll try to get back to everybody, to the base of my ability. So let's go to the next question. So the next question, the student saying to me, let's go straight to the question without wasting time. Okay. So the question says, it's just so that's a question right there. So let's say question. This is question 8. We have to go to question 26. Question 8 say, for what value of k with the equation 2x squared minus 3x plus kx equal to negative half have no real root. So you have no real root. So there's no real root. In other way, it's imaginary root. So excuse me. I think I have a lot of video for imaginary root, real root. If you check on my video, in my video you're gonna find have explained very well. But so for now, just go straight to the answer and get straight to the business. But if you just in case you don't understand, please go to my videos. You can check that. Go to imaginary root, real roots, and all of them. I've explained very well if you check my video. Okay, so let's solve the question. So we're gonna say face of 4. So there's a question given here. Excuse me. So I'm gonna say, okay, let's solve it. So they say what? No real roots. So the condition for no real roots, discriminant equal to, discriminant must be less or equal to 0 for no real roots. Or in other words, what does discriminant here mean? Discriminant means b squared minus 4ac, it must be less or equal to 0 for no real root. In other words, you could say no real roots means imaginary roots. No real root means imaginary root. But for now, imaginary roots of roots. So let's go. So first of all, I'm going to have to rearrange this quadratic in a standard form of quadratic. So what is the standard form of quadratic? The standard form of quadratic. So this is what you need to know for now. For no real roots. That's for no real roots. For no real roots. Okay. No real roots. And then, so I don't want to go deeper like for the other, because now I'm going to be teaching you tropic. That's what I say, if you don't understand this part, please go back to my video and then you can check imaginary real roots. But for imaginary root, which is not real roots, this is what you use, b squared minus 4ac. And for equal roots, you say b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. That's for equal roots. Equal real roots. See, and for unequal real root, you say b squared discriminant. This is discriminant. Minus 4ac always greater than 0. Greater or equal. Greater than 0. So I'm saying, so for real root, so this is for 2 equal real roots, and this is for 2 unequal real roots. Please just go to my video and then you'll find it. For now, when they say no real root, this is what you're going to use. B squared minus 4ac is less than 0. Okay, so first of all, before we do anything, before we get a, because we need to get b, a, and c, we're going to have to rearrange this quadratic given. See, so we know a, b, and c. So let me take another page quick. Show me. Thank you for your patience. Just a second, please. Okay, so let me push that one right there. So let me take my quadratic. So my quadratic given is 2x squared minus 3x plus kx equal to negative a half. I hope everybody can see. If you cannot see, please let me know. Which is this one here, right there. So let me rearrange in a standard form of quadratic. So I'll say okay. So I have a 2x squared. These x and x. So I'm gonna say, excuse me. I could have said, let me start with the kx. So it's like plus k, because look, let me write here. Standard form of quadratic is ax squared plus bx plus c. This one right here. So I need to rearrange all my stuff in this form. So that's what I say, okay, so for the second one, excuse me, I have a negative 3 plus k. So it's like k minus 3 bracket what? X. So I've taken x out. So positive 3 left, positive k, and this going to be negative 3. So this is like bx. So this is your b. This one is your b here. And then I'll take this negative over. So it's going to be plus what? 1 over 2 equal to 0. So you see, I have rearranged my question in terms of a, and this is b, and this is c. So now, for no real root, just like how I ask you no real roots, for no real roots, we say discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac is always less than 0. I was wrong here, my apology, I sincerely apologize. This is not less or equal, it's just less than 0. Sorry, this is wrong here, it's less than 0. It's less than 0. So less than 0 for no real roots, okay? So I've corrected here. So okay, let's substitute now. What is a b? B is k minus 3. So instead of say b, see, b is the one of the x, so it's k, see b, the one of the x. So it's k minus 3, so it's k minus 3, but it has a square. So this is a condition for no real root. Say b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. So that's a b, k minus 3, see, has a x, so it's like bx. So I have to rearrange. Minus 4. What is my a? A equal to 2, the coefficient of the x squared. 2 times c. What is my c? C, this last number. So we say less than 0. So now I'm going to have to solve all of this and get the value of k. And my business is done. So expand this on. So it's going to be k minus 3 times k minus 3, which is going to give you, you can take it separately. Okay, let's just do here. Excuse me. K minus 3 square meaning k minus 3 again. Okay, k times k square. K times negative 3, negative 3k, negative 3 times k, negative 3k, so negative 6k, negative 3 times negative 3 plus 9. So this can be k squared minus 6k plus 9. Now we multiply this. Negative 4 times 2, 80. 8 times a half equal to 4. It's going to be 4. But a negative. Less than 0. So now it become another quadratic, but everything is k minus 6k plus 5 less than 0. And now we say so now we can solve a general quadratic equation, or you can just factorize this. Let me factorize because this is easy. I could see you can factorize. So you say k and here k. Now we think, okay, k times k is k squared. Which number is going to give me positive 5? So we could say 2 and 3, and they're both negative. It's going to give me positive 5. No, my apology. No, you can't give us, because when I multiply this, it's going to be k squared, and then when I multiply this negative 3k, multiply this negative 3k, no, it's not going to give us. So for that case, now I'm going to do by general equation of what of quadratic, excuse me. I'm going to do by general equation of quadratic. Or, excuse me, let me take out the number, my apology. It's simple, man. So we put bracket k less than 0. See? So now, which number is going to give me 5? It could be 5 and 1. 5 and 1. Or negative 1 and negative 5. So it's going to be 5 and 1. Let me take 5 and 1. Since this is negative, so I'm going to put negative and negative. Negative and negative. Let's see, it's true, because k times k, k squared. K times negative 1, negative k. Negative 5 times k, negative 5k, negative 6k total. Negative 1 times negative 5, positive 5. Okay, yeah, that's it. So for that case now, got it. We say, finally, this is less than 0 and this less than 0. So k minus 5 less than 0. Or, this is 8 here. K minus 1 is less than 0. Go over. So k less than positive 5, or k less than positive 1. So finally we have seen k is less than 5 or k less than 1. So let's come here and check the options. Or another way, excuse me, I could have written this another way of saying this is less than, which, okay, k is less than 5 and k is less than 1. So in other words, we say this one is smaller and this 5 is bigger, and then both of them they have a less k. So this is my answer. So I come here, my option, I see is option 4. So my answer is option 4. This is my answer, option 4. So question 8 is option 4. Option 4. Now we go to question 9. Question 9. They say the solution of the set of equal to 1. They say the solution of is empty, -2, -23, 3, or real number. So we want to get solution of that one. Okay, so for that case now, I can solve right here straight away. Okay, just to save space. I hope everybody can see there. So I'm gonna say, okay, so let me take that question right there. So given -x minus, and then here we have a root of 2x squared plus x minus 5 equal to 1. So what I'm gonna do, I'll take this one over, or I could take this one to the other side and then 1 come this side, so that this square root is gonna have a positive. Whichever way you could do, as long as you're doing the right way. So I'll take this one over, take over, so it's gonna be -x here left, and then 1 come here, it's gonna be -1 equal. See, when you take over, remember, you take any number you take with the sign. So this negative is square root of all these terms here. Go over, so it's gonna be positive. It's not gonna be negative. When you go over equal sign, it's gonna be positive. So positive 2x squared plus x minus 5 means this is gonna be positive here. Okay, so how do you remove square root? To remove square root, you have to square both sides. So we're gonna square throughout. So I'm gonna square here, and also I'm gonna square the side. So this term here is gonna be -x minus 1 square, means you multiply by the same thing, -x minus 1. And to the right hand side, this and this gonna cancel. So we're gonna be left with 2x squared plus x minus 5. So let's multiply now. So when you multiply now, -x times -x is positive x squared. -x times -1 is positive x. -1 times -x is positive x also. So plus x, -1, -1, go to plus 1. Now this is going to be 2x squared plus x minus 5. Most of this question here see is quadratic. Okay. So now x and x is 2x. So these two, they're going to give us 2x here. These two, they're going to give us 2x. So now we can put everything one side. So I'll take x squared over. So this side will say equal to 0, equal to 2x squared minus, because when it comes it's going to be negative. 2x squared minus x squared is going to be just x squared, because when it comes in minus. Now we go x minus 2x, because this is positive x. When it goes over, it's going to be minus. So x minus 2x go to negative x. And this -5, when it goes over, it's going to be minus. It's going to be -5 minus 1, -6. So now we want to solve this this quadratic and see which one is going to give. It's going to be the right answer for this equation. Excuse me. So I'm going to say 0 equal, put my bracket, x and x. Why x and x? Because x sometimes is going to give us x squared. Now we want to get -6. -6, of course, is going to be -3 and +2. It's going to give us -6. See, and when you add these terms, it's going to give us -1. So yes, that is. So let's see if it's true. Look, x times x, x squared. X times -3, -3x. Look, x times x, x squared. X times -3, -3x. Now you come for this one. 2 times x, 2x. And that -3x, just -x left, which is -x. 2 positive times -3, -6 is 2. So now finally, or if you don't want to do that, I could have done by general quadratic equation by saying x equal to -b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac, which I'll recommend most of the time use this one because it's always I'll say it's the win of this game. Okay, so negative b, what is a b? B equal to -1. B, this number here, -1 plus or minus. B square means negative 1 square equal to positive 1 minus 4 times A. What is that A? Is 1 here, just 1. Times C. C equal to negative 6 over 2 times A. What is that A? A equal to 1. So X equal to 1 plus or minus. Negative, negative, positive. So 24 positive plus 1, 25. Square root of 25 equal to 5 over 2. So X equal to 1 plus 5 equal to 6. 6 over 2 equal to 3. So X equal to 3. Or 1 minus 5, negative 4. Negative 4 divided by 2 equal to negative 2. So X equal to negative 2. So that could be your value of X, which is option 3. So my option is 3. So I'm saying, so my option is option what? Option 3. My value of X equal to negative 2 and 3. Or right here, excuse me, I could have continue here, because remember I stopped here and then I said I was showing you how to do by general solution of quadratic, and then here remember 0 equal to, and okay, so I'll say the first one equal to 0 means 0 equal to x plus 2, or 0 equal to x minus 2, excuse me, x minus 2. This is 3 here, my apologies, x minus 3. So go over. So when you go over, it could be negative 2. So x negative 2, or go over. So we positive 3 equal to x. So x equal to negative 2, or x equal to positive 3. So we come here to the option 3. So option 3, question 9. Okay, let's go for question 10. So for question 10, it says suppose this equation here given x plus y equal to 3, which of the following are true? So which of the following are true? I'll take it one page here. I think everybody can see that equation. Which of the following are true? So other stuff I can do straight away. They say excuse me, whenever you have this type of expression, right? For example, if somebody give you, excuse me, let's say x, I hope everybody can see that, over y equal to 1 over 2. Mathematical, x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Means you just say this equal to this and this equal to the acceptable. As long as you don't have a plus some business here, no. Like if you have a whatever number numerator and denominator, means the top number equal to that one, denominator equal to that one. Number 1, that's acceptable. So for this case here, I'll say x plus y equal to 3 and x minus y equal to 4. So option 1 is true, because they say x plus y equal to 3 and x minus y equals 4. It's true, the first one. Now we go for the second one. For the second one, also I think it's true, because look, if you cross this, it's going to be 4 times x plus y. Look. Let me do right here. So say, if you cross, look, I hope everybody can see that, right? So say, cross multiplication. So if you cross multiplication, means you cross multiplication, it's going to be 4 times x plus y. It's going to be 4 times x plus y equal, now you cross that way, it's going to be 3 times x minus y. You see, which is 4 x plus y equal to 3. Yeah, it's true. So this also is true. So this is true and this is true. Now we go for C. They say for C, they say x plus y must be greater than 0 and x minus y is greater than 0. I think it's false. You know why it's false? Because, let me show you why I say it's false. Excuse me. The reason why I say this is false, because, look, you can say this, you can, but I disprove this, because x plus y, they say must be greater than 0 and x minus y must be greater than 0 to get 3 over y. It's true, but not only that is true. What does that mean? When you say it's true, but not only that's true. That's why I had to. So look, they say we have x plus y here, and they have x minus y equal to 3 over 4. To have 3 over 4 is not necessarily this must be greater than 0, this must be greater than 0. Look, I could have this negative and this negative. So negative and negative is going to be also positive answers. So not all the time, not all the time means this, because our answer is positive. So positive means it can be negative and negative. So this term here could be less than 0. For example, it could be negative 3 over negative 4. Also, it's just going to give a 3 or 4, which is possible. So when you say negative 3 and negative 4, these meaning this is less than 0 and this is less than 0. But according to here, you say the top one must be greater than 0 and this must be greater than 0. So it's not true that to have a 3 over 4 means both of this and this must be positive. They can be negative both, just like what I have shown you here. Means if this is negative and this is negative, it's going to give us positive answer also. So this is true, but it's not true at the same time. So I'm not going to take this. So this one no. Also, if you look at the options here, there's only A and B. Only A, only B, only C. So I'll go for this one. Only A and B. So option 4. Question 10, option 4. Okay, now I'll go for question 11. I hope everybody can see. Question 11. Excuse me just a second, please. I can't see question 11, man. Where's the question 11? Okay, so I'll take a pause a little bit and then we'll look for question 11, right? And then come back to finish this question, man. Thank you for your patience. I appreciate it. Like I say, of course, you're going to learn from me. And if you have any question, just leave the comments there. You can only like and subscribe only if you think you deserve that subscription, subscribe button. So let me look for the page and then we continue.